Hello everyone, this is Dr. Dhiman, and in this video we will continue the tutorial series in physics class 11 part 1. So in this video we will learn about the SI units. So what is the meaning of this SI units? SI stands for System International, SYSTEME. System International D units. Okay, this is a French word. From that French word, this word comes SI. SI stands for this System International. Okay, System International the units, or in English we can say that International System of Units. So the full form of SI is System International the units. So these words look somewhat wrong, okay, but this is not wrong. This is a French word. In this second chapter we have units and measurement. So first of all we have to understand what is a unit. So the definition of unit is a unit is the standard of measurement of any physical quantity which involves comparison with a certain basic arbitrarily chosen internationally accepted reference. Suppose we have a length. Suppose this one is 1 centimeter. I am assuming it. Okay. So this one is suppose an international reference for 1 centimeter. Okay. From here to here, this is 1 centimeter. Okay. Now measure this rod. This much of length is called 1 centimeter. So how many 1 centimeter section will be there? So from here to here it's 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeters. Suppose 5 sections of 1 centimeter each we have. So this 1 centimeter is a basic reference, okay, or we can say that this is the internationally accepted reference of 1 centimeter. So this much of length is called as a 1 centimeter. So this centimeter is the unit here. So this cm means centimeter. Okay, centimeter is the unit here. So using this centimeter unit we can measure this whole pipe from here to here. Okay, so how many centimeter are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So the length of this pipe is 5 centimeter. Okay, in this way we have to measure. So this centimeter is nothing but a internationally accepted reference. So this much of, suppose from here to here, this much of length is called as the 1 centimeter, or this is the centimeter. So units is a part of measurement, or it is a standard of measurement of any physical quantity which involves comparison of certain basic arbitrarily chosen internationally accepted reference. So here in this case this is the arbitrarily chosen international reference. Using this reference we have calculated the length of the pipe. So there are various system of measurements or various standard of measurement that was used previously. You might be asked in the exam also CGS. Okay, this CGS stands for centimeter, then G stands for gram, and S stands for second. These are the full form of this CGS. This centimeter is the unit of length. Okay, this gram is the unit of mass. Okay, and this second is the unit of time. There was another measurement system, okay, that was used. So the second one is FPS. Full form, or the F represents the foot, that is 1 foot. 1 foot is equal to 12 inch. Okay, and P stands for pound. This is the mass unit. Okay, and for second also S is the second. Here in this case also the unit of time is the same. Okay, second. Now there is another system in which we have MKS. MKS. This was one of the most widely used system of units. Okay, so M stands for meter. In some cases this meter word is written as METRE, that is the British term. Okay, METER, this is the American form. Okay, you can write anyone, no problem. Then K is for kilogram, and this small s stands for, and this S stands for second. In CGS the length unit was centimeter, the mass unit was gram, and the time unit was second. Okay, you can see here this gram unit is for mass and centimeter for length. Similarly, for this second type of system, that is FPS system, foot was the unit for length, the pound was the unit for mass, and this second was the unit for time. And in the MKS system, this third type of system, we have the meter as a unit of length, kilogram as a unit of mass, and second is the unit of time. Now we will see what is SI unit. There are 7 basic units that are given as shown in this table. Okay, this is a screenshot from the book Physics Part 1 of NCERT textbook. So here we have 7 different units that are used. In this table we can see various SI units with the base quantity. Here you can see this is the base quantity. We have the name of the unit and symbol of the unit, short form of the name, okay, and the definition. So this definition part I will skip here in this tutorial because that will be a long enough video. Okay, now let us see. These are the 7 basic units that are used in the SI system. So the first measurement is of length. So in case of length, the SI unit is meter, M-E-T-R-E. This is the British form of meter. Okay, so this is the unit of meter. Now what is the symbol? The short form of meter is the small m. Okay, and in case of mass, the second type of quantity, unit is kilogram, SI unit. Okay, these all are given in SI unit, and the short form is kg, small k, small c. And the third one is the time. In case of time quantity, the unit is second and the short form is small s. In case of electric current means the number of charges that are flowing per second through a cross section. Okay, so in case of electric current, this ampere is the unit and capital A is the short form that we will use in the problem solving purposes. Okay, while solving the problems we will use the short forms of these units. Okay, next we have the thermodynamic temperature. In case of thermodynamic temperature, unit is Kelvin. Kelvin is centigrade plus 273 and the unit is capital K. Then we have the amount of substance. How much amount of substance are there? Okay, so amount of substance, the unit is mole. Okay, and the short form is small mol. Okay, in case of luminous intensity, how much intensity the light output has? Okay, the unit is candela and the short form is small cd. Okay, so these are the various name and the symbols. Okay, these symbols will be used for the problem solving purposes. Okay, you can see the definitions here. Okay, various definitions are given. There are 2 more units. So what are they? So there are 2 more units. So first one is the plane angle. Plane angle is denoted by d theta. D theta. This plane angle is the ratio of the length of arc to the radius arc. Suppose we have an angle like this, and this one is the arc, and for this we will have, suppose this angle is d theta and this radius is small r. Okay, this is nothing but small r. Now the definition of this plane angle is, it is the ratio of the length of the arc. So this length of the arc is, suppose, ds. Okay, this is the length of the arc. Now as per the definition, the plane angle d theta, we can write it as d theta is equal to ds by r. This ds is the length of the arc. Okay, here you can see this is the arc. Okay, and this length of this arc is d small s. Okay, small d small s, this is the arc length. Okay, and this arc length is divided by the radius of the angle. Okay, so this plane angle d theta is the measurement. Now let us see the second type. In the second type we have the solid angle. So this is denoted by d omega. Suppose we have this area of this complete area, the surface area is, suppose this is dA. Okay, suppose this one is dA. Okay, now this solid angle, okay, solid angle will be this one. Okay, this is the solid angle d omega, and we have a radius of small r. Okay, so the solid angle definition is d omega is equal to, it is the ratio of the intercepted area. So what is the intercepted area here? This dA is the intercepted area. So this intercepted area, we have to divide it with the square of the radius. Okay, so dA divided by r square. Okay, this is the definition of solid angle. Okay, that means this dA, this surface, let me show here, this surface is the part of a sphere. Okay, this is a spherical surface, and the unit of the solid angle is steradian. Okay, so the unit of this solid angle is steradian. Okay, now if we see the unit of this plane angle, so the unit of plane angle is, it is radian. Okay, and the short form of this radian is RAD. The short form of this steradian is SR. Okay, SR, small s, small r. We have seen all the SI units that are used for the measurements purpose. Okay, so in this video we have learned about SI units, system international the units, and various types of previously used measurements or units. Okay, we have seen the various basic quantity of units, basic quantity and their unit name as well as their symbol. Okay, then we have seen two extra or two another types of units in SI units. Okay, they are plane angle and the solid angle. So I hope you understand this. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. I am making a playlist of this tutorial series, and you have to share that playlist with your friends. Thank you.